Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix WhatsApp app is not working or not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu, just right click on your start menu and just right click and click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to click on apps from your left side. On your right side you will get installed apps option, so click on that. Now on the search apps box you just need to type WhatsApp. Okay, so type WhatsApp, and after that you just need to click on three dot button beside of WhatsApp, as you can see. So click on three dot button and go to advanced option. So once you will get this advanced window, you just need to background app permission, you just need to select over here always. And app permission, you just need to give all the app permission to your WhatsApp apps. So currently I have only two. I don't have camera, so I'm getting two options, microphone and contacts. Once it's all done, you just need to check your WhatsApp app is working or not. If it is still not working, then I will suggest you to reset your WhatsApp app. For that, you just need to go the same option and scroll down, and you will get terminate option. So click on terminate first, then click on repair, and once it will done, click on reset. Okay, and after that you just need to re-log into your WhatsApp app. Open WhatsApp and re-log in to your WhatsApp app and check if it is working or not. And also, if you are getting same error or issues, then I will suggest you to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp app through this option. You can uninstall, and after that you just need to go to your Microsoft Store and install WhatsApp app, and after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.